Hey everyone! Welcome back to the AI course. This is part 5, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic: how AI generates images. If you've ever seen realistic human faces that don't exist or AI artwork that looks like it came from a master artist, you've already witnessed AI image generation in action. Let's break down how this magic actually works, in a simple and understandable way. Before we dive in, let's quickly connect this to what we've already learned. In the last few videos, we explored how AI analyzes patterns in data and predicts outcomes. This is important because image generation is also a form of prediction. But instead of predicting numbers or words, AI predicts pixels, one by one or in chunks, to create images that look like they were created by human hands. So what exactly is image generation? It refers to the process of teaching AI to create visuals from scratch, often based on a text prompt or by learning a particular visual style. The process begins with training the AI on a massive dataset containing thousands or even millions of real images. These images help the AI understand the basic visual structure of the world: shapes, colors, textures, objects, faces, and more. Once trained, the AI can then generate completely new images that look convincingly real, even though they've never existed before. Now let's look at the key models behind image generation. The first is GANs, or Generative Adversarial Networks. These work like a game between two AIs. One AI tries to create fake images, while the other AI judges how real those images look. Through this back-and-forth battle, the generator improves until its images are almost indistinguishable from real ones. The second type is VAEs, or Variational Autoencoders. These models compress images into a special form of numbers, and then decode those numbers back into visuals, allowing for image generation, reconstruction, and style variations. Lastly, we have diffusion models, used in tools like DALL and Stable Diffusion. These models begin with random noise and slowly refine it step by step until it becomes a clear image, kind of like watching a blurry photo slowly come into focus. So, how does AI know what to generate when we give it a prompt like a dragon flying over a city at sunset? The magic happens because these models are trained on text and image pairs. That means they learn what words mean and what kind of visuals are typically associated with those words. When you type in a prompt, the AI translates that into visual features using something called a text encoder, and then the image generator does the rest. Of course, as amazing as this is, there are ethical concerns and limitations. AI can sometimes misunderstand prompts, or generate weird or inaccurate images. There are also copyright debates, especially when the AI is trained on artworks or photos without the creator's permission. And unfortunately, this tech can be misused to create misleading or fake content. So while AI image generation is powerful, it's important that we use it responsibly. Finally, where is all this being used in the real world? Almost everywhere. From art and design, where concept artists use AI to explore ideas faster, to fashion, where clothing patterns are generated. From medical imaging, where synthetic data helps train doctors, to entertainment, where AI generates characters, landscapes, and visual effects for games and movies. And that wraps up today's video on how AI generates images. We've now seen that AI isn't just about analyzing or predicting, it can create entirely new visual content. In the next video, we'll explore how AI understands videos and real-world motion, so don't miss it. Be sure to take notes, go back and rewatch if needed, and make sure you fully understand the core ideas. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss part 6. See you in the next one.